Hello, my name is Ren Knotts. I just wanted to go through my slide ad with you and kind of start out talking about the original ad. This is coming from Polaris. They are trying to get out there and say that there's a spring event sale with some huge rebates. For the Polaris RZR. As you can kind of see as we go through the design, I'll talk about some of the things that I like and some of the things that I would maybe kind of change just per personal preference. We have fading and blending of the two images together. This is a box that they've created they've faded the images together. In my new ad that I recreated, I tried to mimic those things to kind of see if I could mimic it, but I'll talk about that when we get to that point. We have, for the typography, we have a lot of sans serifs. That's pretty much what the whole thing is not super fancy. I want to say some of this is kind of like a corporate font that's a sans serif font. It's simple, and it just kind of shows the simplicity of the actual ad itself. The color scheme, they got the red of the RZR and the black. There's some consistencies there. Also repetition of this dirt color and the dirt flowing behind it. Also the white fonts as well. With the new ad that I created, this is the new ad that I created. This is actually a photo that was taken of me and my wife going through a big mud puddle with our RZR. I'm a big fan of RZRs. I think they're a fun machine, and they're fun to just go out and have a blast and create memories with. That's one thing that I love about going to do those kinds of things. But we went through a big mud puddle, got really, really dirty. So it was kind of fun to manipulate this photo. As you can see down here, I tried to recreate that black box. Didn't do very well. I kind of got fed up and wanted to stop playing with it because I just couldn't get it to work the way that I wanted to. So I stopped while I was ahead because I kind of like it now as I look at it. A lot of some consistencies between the original ad and this ad. There's a blue box. I've kind of made the box smaller. My personal preference, I felt like it fit the ad better. I try to find some corporate sans serif fonts that fit well from the original ad. I've tried to make everything look pretty similar, but not too similar that I'm just trying to copy, trying to make it my own. A lot of the typography, like I said, try to get the sans serif fonts from like a corporate. It's like a corporate font, so there's some consistencies there. And then I got my RZR emblem at the end. So thank you for watching, and I appreciate the comments. Thanks.